This is the Irontrader. It is Monday morning, so it's time to go to work. Now we have a full week of trading this week, and then next week we have the 4th of July holiday. Okay, so we are going to review crude oil and natural gas as usual. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily chart. Now, Friday's candle, if you look at this, was a really nice bottoming tail. Okay, and you noticed that it held the 66.80, which is this key support line all the way through that I've been talking about from all the way from this candle here, which is a nice support level. Okay, now if that is lost, then we have to obviously we look lower. But today's candle, we had a higher high, okay, so far, but it's still not looking really that great. So what we have to do is we have to look here at your key resistance level. So you want to look at 70.38. That is your 8 SMA, and then we want to look at this 21 SMA sitting at 70.53. Now this 8-day needs to cross above to push that price up higher. Now if it can, then we just look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 71.15. We have 72.03, 72.38, and then we have this candle right here, which is a 72.65. Now, what we have here is getting very close, but the 50-day would be the target, 72.72. Okay. Now, obviously, it closed above that. Then we look to the next level here at your 100 SMA here sitting at 74.32, and then we have your price channel sitting at 75.06. Now, if you look at these price channels, 66.80 at the bottom, 75.06 on the top, it's holding really nice all the way through this pattern. It just doesn't look like it wants to break higher because, see, when you look at this 200 SMA, see, it's just on a downtrend. The same way with the 100, same way with the 50. That's really never really a positive bullish sign. You want to have that, reversing on up here. Another thing which you don't really like here is, see, you have a high, you have a lower high, you got lower high. See, that's not really a good bullish pattern, but we got to see how it shakes out. Now, on the downside here, what you want to do is we want to watch this candle right here, okay? So you're sitting at the low on that is 68.93. Then we'll come over here to this one. You're looking at 68.14. We have 67.15. And then your retest here is sitting at 66.80. Now, today, what you want to do is you want to trade against Friday's candle. Okay, so you want to look at that low at 67.35. It needs to hold that, otherwise it's going to go lower. So even if it stays here or goes like a sideways action, that's still okay. It's just that you don't want to go lower than 67.35, let alone close lower. That is the key. And then the upside, watch this key 8 SMA here and your 21. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Okay, your monthly chart here, basically the same thing. We're just trending right inside this 58 SMA here, 66.06. And then we have your 200-day sitting at 72.72. So you're just bouncing right inside there on these two, right between those two key SMAs. Now, again, above that 200 SMA, the key level here is going to be 75.80. And then obviously above that, we go to the next target, which is 85.51, which is your 21 SMA. Now, here on your weekly chart here, what we want to do is always look at this key support level, which is this 200 SMA. So you're looking at 67.52. You can see how it's holding the pattern all the way through. Again, if it's lost, then we look to the bottom of this candle here, 65.38. You got 64.36 on that candle, and then your big retest there is 63.64. Now, on the upside, you want to look here at this 8 SMA here. See, this is going to be very crucial. So that is going to be key resistant, $70.98. So obviously, if you can get above, then we just look to these candles here. So what we have here is you're looking at 72.03. We have 72.72, and then your target would be 74.17, your 21 SMA here. Then obviously above, we look here, 79.93. But you look at this 50-day, see the same way as this is on the daily. See how it's just running down. That's really never a good sign. You want to have that going upward swing here because that's going to really hold the price down. It's going to provide huge resistance. All right, let's take a look here at the old netty gas. All right, here we have natty gas, your 1 hour and your 4. Now we had a good run up here, but just remember, you had contract rollover, okay? So usually when that happens, the price will run up into that, and then the key is, can it hold it or is it going to sell right back off again? Okay, so what you want to do here is, if you look at my video last week, you notice that I put in here would be a double top, okay? So basically on this candle here, you got 2.685, and then on this candle right here, we had 2.695. Okay, then it sold right on down. He had that top and it sold right on down. Then it rallied right up here into this contract roll. Made a nice little higher high here now, but the key is, can it hold it? So far, it just looks like it wants to roll right back over here. So we look at your support levels here. You want to look at 2.73, and then we want to look back at this candle here, okay, at that 2.695, and then we can come down here to 2.65 and then 2.60 if this can hold it. But if it can't hold that double top right there, then she's going to sell off. So what you want to do is just look at all these support levels here to see if they would hold. See, so there's your 2.69, you got 2.62, and then all the way down here to 2.56. Let's take a look here on your daily. Okay, see now on your daily chart, see you had a really nice good run up here. Your 8 SMA here crossed over all the rest of the SMAs. That's always a good leading factor. But now that becomes support level. Okay, so you want to look at 2.58. That's going to be key support. Then we look to this 21 day. You're looking at 2.396 here. And then we have your 100 SMA here. You're looking at 2.36. Then we have your 50 SMA. You're looking at 2.33. So they're all pretty much jammed up. The key is going to be, can it hold this 8 SMA here at 2.58? Now, again, if it can close higher here above these key levels here, then what you want to do is then we start looking to the left of the chart here. So you want to look here, then it'll be at 2.788. You have 2.83, we have 2.86, and this is the target that you'd be looking for at 3.027 if, big question is if it can hold above, or it's just a dub rally into, that contract roll. So watch those key SMAs here, especially this 8 SMA here on the bottom. This is going to be key support level. You can see how it's holding so far the trend very, very, very nicely, but can it close above that? That's going to be the key level. All right, I'll have more for you on the crude oil and natural gas after pit close at 2:30, and thanks for watching.